Okay, lesson 12.3, buying stocks. The objective is to calculate the total cost of a stock investment. Stock is a share of ownership in a corporation. A stock certificate is proof of ownership in a corporation. And the smartest thing someone ever told me was buy in companies you know and trust. Buy stock in companies of products you use. Don't buy something if you don't use it. If you know it's a good product, then go ahead. But if you don't use it, don't buy it. Okay, press pause if you need to, and play to resume. Okay, moving right along. All right, now go ahead and copy this down. Ah, gotcha. Okay, look at this. This is this has several stocks listed. Okay, this might be what you see in a newspaper. Okay, you see the 52 weeks, the high and the low. You see the stock. You see the symbol for the stock. Dividends that the stock has paid. Okay, its yield, the yield percent or percent of return. The price to earning ratio. The number of shares traded during a day. Okay, the volume of shares. Then you have the high and the low for the day of the stock, what it closed at, and the net change. Okay, notice if it has a plus by it, the stock has gone up for the day. If it has a minus by it, it's gone down. You always want your stock to rise. Okay, falling stock means you're losing money. All right, so go ahead and get this formula down real fast, and then we'll go ahead and work the problem. Okay, so the cost of stock equals the number of shares times the cost per share, and the total paid equals the cost of stock plus commission. All right, now Melanie Lambert purchased 100 shares of VXO stock, 100 shares at 106.30 per share. Okay, so take 100 times 106.30, and you end up with $10,630 in stock purchases. Now, her online stockbroker charged her a $15.95 commission. Okay, what is the total amount she paid for the stock? Okay, real simple, add $15.95 to that. So your answer is $10,645.95 is how much she paid altogether. Now, that's the only example. Assuming that Melanie purchased 100 shares of VXO stock at 106.30 and she sold it for more than 106.30, she's going to make money. Okay? But if she sold it for less than 106.30, she loses money. When you find out if you make money or lost money, always take the new price minus the old price. Right? Remember that formula I've given you in the past, new minus old divided by old, to find the percent. Okay? But for today's lesson, that'll do you. Okay? Here's 1 and 2 of your homework. Try these out. Press pause while you work them. Press play to see them worked out. Okay, number 1. It says you own 150 shares of Timeco stock, which you purchased for $36.21. Okay, so 150 times 36.21, $5,431.50. That's how much you purchased in stock. Paid a commission of $29.95. Add your commission in, and your total paid for the stock is $5,461.45. Okay? Number 2, you own 400 shares of Unvar stock, which you purchased at $58.80, which is $23,520. Okay. You paid a commission of $19.95. Add $19.95 to that. You get $23,539.95 in total paid for the stock. All right. Pretty easy stuff. Here's your assignment, lesson 12.3, page 448, 1 through 14 and 18. Get busy. Now.